So for the following problem, it says to perform the operation and simplify. And we have negative 9x squared times 5x to the fifth. Now when it comes to multiplying polynomials, which we have here, we need to keep in mind that we can only multiply like things. A number times a number, an x times an x, y times a y, and so on like that. Now, whenever we're multiplying variables together, like x squared times x to the fifth, we need to keep in mind that we multiply it using the product rule. And the product rule says that when we are multiplying like bases, like we have here, an x times an x, we keep that base and we add the exponents. So, whenever we multiply this here, so let's do number times number, and then we're going to do x squared times x to the fifth. Now, number times number is the easy part here. Negative 9 times 5 is negative 45. And then when we do x squared times x to the fifth, we're using the product rule here, which says to keep the x, add those exponents. So 2 plus 5 gives us 7. And that's it. That's our answer for it.